If you use Telegram every day and want your app to look completely unique, today I'm going to show you how to create your own custom Telegram theme step by step. This is a great way to personalize your chats, match your brand colors, or just give Telegram a fresh look that feels more like you. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram desktop on your PC. You'll want to use the desktop version for this because it gives you easy access to the full theme editor. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner of the app and click the three horizontal lines, which is the main menu. This opens the navigation panel where all your account and app settings are located. From here, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Chat Settings and click that next. This is the section where Telegram lets you control the appearance of your chats, including fonts, bubbles, colors, and themes. Once you're inside Chat Settings, you'll see different theme options available. Near the theme choices, click the three dots menu. This small menu gives you extra customization options. From the drop-down, select Create New Theme. Telegram will now open in the Theme Creation tool, where you can build a custom look from scratch. Now comes the fun part. On the right-hand panel, you'll see the color palette and editable sections for different parts of the Telegram interface. You can customize things like the background, header, message bubbles, text, accents, and other interface elements depending on what Telegram allows in that section. Click each color box or section one by one and choose the colors you want. If you want a clean professional look, stick to simple shades and high contrast. If you want something more creative, you can experiment with bold colors and unique combinations. Take your time here, because the whole point is to make the theme look exactly how you want it. As you make changes, you'll see the preview update so you can check how your theme looks before saving it. If something feels too bright, too dark, or not easy to read, just adjust it until it looks right. A good custom theme should look nice, but it should also stay comfortable to use every day. Once you're happy with your design, click Save. Telegram may ask you to name your theme, so choose something easy to remember. After that, click Save Theme to finalize everything. At this point, your new custom Telegram theme is ready to use. You can apply it right away and enjoy a personalized Telegram experience that matches your style. And that's it. You've now created your own custom Telegram theme on Telegram desktop. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.